girl. Hey, welcome to OMG Scrunchie Club. I am the Scrunchie creator, Lamiel, and for those of you that are new, welcome to the club. In today's video, I am going to be doing some Christmas scrunchies. So I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Christmas scrunchies in my Christmas collection. So they're not even Christmas. Well, they're Christmas colors, but they're not like Santa Claus or peppermint. So you can wear them any time of the year with anything. So it's not Christmas specific, but it's Christmas colors, if that makes sense. So I did some of the scrunchies already prior to shooting this video. So I'm just going to be doing 2 on this YouTube video today because I feel when you make a scrunchie, you make them the same every time. You're just changing the pattern. Not the pattern, the fabric. So the technique is always the same. So I don't want to bore you all with sewing scrunchies in each video. Also, I am still going to work on, someone requested that I do a video on selling wholesale. I am still working on that, as well as doing scrunchies in natural hair. So maybe when I take my braids out or down, take the braids down, I can do a natural hair scrunchie video. But I did want to share with you that I am working on some new things. Some new and exciting things are coming to OMG Scrunchie Club. I don't want to tell you what it is yet, but I am starting a new series of things on my YouTube channel, which will go with the scrunchies. So I will tell you what the new things are that I'm starting on this OMG Scrunchie Club channel. I'm going to teach you how to make cute little purses and cute little things to sew. But I will be making a Patreon page because I want to create patterns. And for my Patreon subscribers, you will be able to download and get some of these patterns for free. Well, get them for free. Also, some of the more simple patterns I will have on the OMG Scrunchie Club website for free download as well to anyone. But the more detailed or intricate, I can't even get the word out, intricate sewing patterns will be on the Patreon account, or I will just sell them. So I can sell them and put them on the Patreon account. But these will not be scrunchie tutorials, but my goal is to make a scrunchie to go with some of these things. So I can kind of still stick with the scrunchie theme because I don't want to stray too far from scrunchies, but I know, like I said, once you make one scrunchie, you've made them all. You just have to change the fabric. So I am going to go ahead and get started with this video because I think I've talked enough. So let's get started. Here you go. Magic fingers. Oh, I forgot to mention, make sure you watch the video to the end because somewhere magically in the video there's a coupon code for 15% off of my Christmas scrunchie collection. So if you skip through the video, you may miss the coupon insert. But that's it. Now let's get to the video. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. As I stated, once you sew one scrunchie, you sew them all the same way. There are different techniques or different ways to sew scrunchies. I want to say I've tried 4 different ways of making scrunchies, but I like this way the best. I've already placed my tag in to my casing like I always do. So I did this in the intro shot so that I wouldn't have to do it again. So my tag is there. I like to center my crease or my seams, and then I flip them over. I think I've shown you all this before. And I tuck them in towards the center, and I line these seams up together just to make sure the seam is nice and neat. And take my little plastic wonder clip here. I think that's what it's called, not sure. And then I clip it. And now I'll get ready to sew it. So I'm going to move the sewing machine back and we can get started. Special announcement, here's that coupon code I was telling you about. Get 15% off your OMG Scrunchy Club Scrunchies by using the code OMG Christmas. Now back to the video. So I have finished the casings for the two scrunchies that I just did on camera. Since this one is sheer see-through, I am going to use black elastic for it. So I have my bodkin here and some black elastic. So here we go. Let's see, what can I talk about while you watch me do this? So one of the things that I like to do or make are purses. I like to make purses. So I am going to create some purses. Yeah, I have a few over there that I've made. I'll share those in another video. But my next video that is coming up after this one will be a purse video. So I'm going to show you how to make a cool purse or purses. Yeah, and of course there will be a scrunchie to match the purse, hopefully, if I can find the, well, if I can find the material to make the purse, I can make a scrunchie out of the same material, unless I'm using some very thick material. It just depends on what I'm using. So for this plaid scrunchie, I am going to put in a white elastic. Put in white elastic, not a white elastic, because you can't see through it. So yeah, if there are any, I like to sew, so if there are any things that you'd like for me to sew on this channel, please let me know, because I don't want to make a separate YouTube channel just for sewing. And I think this channel is good for that. Since I sew scrunchies, I can make a lot of things. I'm thinking of making, never mind, I don't want to share yet. So I'm kind of secretive because I want things to be a surprise for you sometimes. So let's see, I'm working on the wholesale. I still haven't forgotten. Someone asked for me to do scrunchies for natural hair, but right now my hair is in braids, so kind of not going to work unless I do a ponytail like the regular scrunchie styles. But I still have that on my list of things to do for videos. I have a lot of things on my list to do for videos, a lot of things in a little bit of time. So just bear with me, everyone. I appreciate all of your patience. I'm going to sew these shut. So since this has black in it, I'm going to sew this in black. And I have some green thread here for the green scrunchie. So I actually have to make a bobbin spool of this green for the bobbin. But I'm going to stop the video here, and when I come back, the scrunchies will be done and I can introduce you to the new OMG Scrunchie Christmas collection. I'm not sure if I'm going to get any more fabrics for Christmas since it's like so close, and I like to get my fabrics from different places. I don't want to go to, like, even though I did this time, I went to a local mom and pop's craft store for some of my fabrics. Some of it I got somewhere else from an exclusive spot. But I didn't want to do like the Michaels and the Joann's fabric for every scrunchie because everyone has access to those. And I like to bring new patterns and prints and designs to OMG Scrunchie Club because it's cool. Okay, so I will see you in a moment with the big scrunchie reveal of the new Christmas collection of OMG Scrunchie Club. So I have completed my Christmas scrunchies. So this one here is Emmy, a nice chiffon scrunchie with gold polka dots. So Emmy, you can get Emmy from OMG Scrunchie Club. Also next, my daughter Summer helped me name this one, and she named it Ellie, or L, I'm sorry, L. So this is L, E-L-L-E. It's a nice plaid cotton scrunchie also, so you can get this from OMG Scrunchie Club. We have Charlie, which is a fun chiffon fabric, so this one is chiffon. Let's see, I have another plaid scrunchie here. I want to say this is Liv. That is correct, Liv. Very cool plaid print here. We have Holly. Holly's black, red, and green. Two more to go. Next is Cindy. I was thinking Cindy Lou from The Grinch. So this is Cindy. It's a nice plaid scrunchie also. Most of my Christmas scrunchies are plaid. And finally, a nice buffalo plaid scrunchie. And this one is named Elvia. So there you have it. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time, and I hope that you caught that coupon code somewhere inside of the video. That is to get 15% off of the OMG Scrunchie Club Christmas collection. Be sure to tell your friends too. OMG Scrunchie Club, Scrunchies just got better. Home of the bigger, better scrunchies. I will see you all next time. Have a good day. Bye.